Fleeting glances. In the crowded room, our eyes meet. A fleeting glance, a moment so sweet. In that instant, time seems to freeze. A silent connection, carried by the breeze. Your eyes, they speak a thousand words. In the silence, their message is heard. A spark, a whisper, a silent plea. In that fleeting glance, you captivate me. I wonder about the stories they hold, the dreams, the fears, the secrets untold. In the briefest of moments, our souls collide. In the dance of the crowd where we both hide. Each glance is a promise, a silent vow, a question unasked, a future somehow. In the chaos, in the noise, in the fleeting light, your eyes find mine, and everything feels right. But the moment passes and you turn away, leaving me with the words I cannot say. In the echoes of the night, I replay that glance, a fleeting moment, a missed chance. I long for the courage to bridge the gap, to turn those glances into a heartfelt map. But for now, I cherish each fleeting sight, a silent connection in the still of the night.